Thursday, the very last day of November. It's the 30th. Tomorrow is December. Remember, tomorrow starts the red envelope mission impossible that you are challenged by shopping every day from the 1st to the 16th. When you shop at Bella Filati, you'll get one red envelope. Do not open it. Save it for January. You can shop 16 days. You could have 16 envelopes with discounts. What? All right. Brand new products from this cute company. Her name is Emma Ball. She's from the UK. She has created these adorable drawings and she has put them on different bags. This is a drawstring bag. So cute. Look at the sheep in the sweaters. What? Has this cute lining. I have it stuffed so it puffs up. So cute. Great project bag. Not expensive, $24.95, all the way from the UK. So cute. Love these guys. She also did a zippered pouch, which is great. This is a oversized notions or a smaller project bag. It's printed on both sides. Actually, they're both printed on both sides, which is lovely. This is $20.95. Aren't they adorable? So cute. All right, we have another one called the Felted Sheep. Adorable, so cute. Look at all those felted fat sheep. Just happy little sheep. Then, sticking with the same product but different artwork, we're going for the gnomes. You know, everybody loves a gnome around here. Chrissy does them every week, practically. Once a month, she's needle felting a gnome. So these are the gnomes. The bigger baskets are, the drawstring bags are $24.95. And then I got a gnome pouch, zippered pouch. It's got a thimble. How cute is that? Standing on a spool of thread. Love this. Knitting, crocheting. Just as cute. Look at the crocheted flowers. So cute. Love it. Love, love, love it. Last but not least, this is a oilcloth great tote. There's pockets all the way around for all your stuff. This is a bigger bag. It's got a nice zipper top. It stands up. Let me unzip. It stands up and it's all these cute sheep. It's all the sheep with the sweaters on. And the inside, there's pockets on the outside and there are pockets on the inside. Can you see that? Yeah. So this is, and it's lots of space. You can get lots of projects in there. So cute. It's not going to get dirty. It's oilcloth. So fun. So adorable. You need that. It too is reasonable. It's a big bag. It's $40. So there you go. My new products for the day from Emma Ball in the UK. Thank you, Emma Ball. All right. I got a little stuff coming in every day, thinking about gifts and things like that. So remember, shopping, shopping, shopping. Now's the time. All right. Red envelopes starting tomorrow. Yay!